smells.
Yeah, you do.
Smells of water.
I forgot there's a gate.
It's almost like they were pumping out milk or something.
It does make you wonder, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, I'm in charge of gate duty now.
By the way, I think that's one way. Because if you go into it, there's an arrow.
I did see that arrow. I didn't know if that was like a tweak. Oh, ready for the aerial.
Yep. Ding, ding,
It's when it drops off the back. Are you sure it's a gate?
Oh no, we're going around the gate.
Oh, lucky
yeah, look,
me.
because that's the bridge that we saw from the other side.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that sheep. Sheep's like, eyo, oh yo. Oh, there's another one. Oh, look, there's somebody. Oh, hey, hello. Oh, you. Oh, look, these ones are huge.
Wow.
Heyo.
Hiya. Mint sauce.
No, don't be mean. Heyo. Heyo.
Oh, you scared that one. Oh, that one's scared.
Hi.
Look how quick they can get up a hill.
Good afternoon. Have a good day. Oh, sorry. Have a good day. Oh, look, a bit of mud. Oh no, that looks a bit depth. Let's not do that.